To export your search results as a CSV file with comma-separated values from the Issue Navigator, click on Issues, then on Search for Issues. Enter your search query, then click on Export. Select CSV, All Fields, or CSV, Current Fields. When you choose CSV, All Fields, your CSV file containing all issue fields, comments, and attachments, even if these are not visible in the Issue Navigator. CSV, Current Fields, creates a CSV file with only the issue fields that are currently displayed in the Issue Navigator. Select one of these and your CSV file is immediately downloaded to your computer. You can open and edit this file with various programs, including Microsoft Excel.